We want you to murder our judges with chilies.
The count has gone up to 6 ghost peppers. That's a lot.
We're getting it all. It's not my contract.
Bring on the heat!
I consider myself to be the spicy queen.
I'm scared.
Everybody's sweating, everybody's coughing.
He's schwitzing over here. I'm not trying to, like, take a trip to the hospital.
Amanda, are you okay?
Yeah, baby.
My mouth is on fire.
You took the habanero to the edge. Let's see if we survive.
Ooh.
Hello, chefs.
Hey, Ted.
How are you?
You are coming in hot for our special Flamin' Hot battle. Every basket will feature chili peppers. And the best part, as the rounds progress, so does the spice level.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Let's
we're ready
go.
for it.
Go.
Check out your appetizer ingredients. And here we see Thai peppers, lump crab, cucumber, spicy cheese curls. 20 minutes to get the job done. Time starts now.
Woo! Come on, chefs. Let's go. Bring the heat.
You got this.
Spice it up! What's the plan?
I'm gonna make a spicy crab rangoon with some cream cheese and some crab inside. In my crab rangoon filling is the lump crab meat, cream cheese, soy sauce, and the Thai red chili.
I'm gonna do a crab kolivara, which is like a batter fried crab cake. And then it's gonna have a cucumber raita, which is gonna be a very nice soothing thing because at the end, it's chili.
Growing up in Arizona, if you put anything in a tortilla, it's gonna taste delicious. And I really wanna represent my home state and do a Southwestern tostada with a lump crab and cucumber salad.
Naika,
Yes.
what's the plan?
A play on Haitian pickles, which is a spicy pickled slaw. And I'm gonna serve that with a crab cake.
Chef Kim has a blender with a handful of Thai peppers in there.
Mind you, they're not de-seeded, so we're getting all the capsaicin.
That's a lot.
We're getting it all.
The clock is ticking away, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Oh my gosh.
Chefs, you have arrived at the chopping block. Chef Naika, what have you made?
Today, I made you a Thai chili and poblano crab cake with a pickled cucumber salad.
Chef Karan, what have you made?
So in front of you, we've got the crab kolivara with the cucumber and dill raita with some fresh arugula.
Chef Matt, what have you made for us?
So today I made a Southwestern tostada with a crab and cucumber salad.
And finally, Chef Kim.
Hi, so I made a Thai spicy dumpling with a Thai chili vinaigrette.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Naika, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Naika, incorporating the spicy cheese curls in the crab cake made the crab cake too salty. And also the haphazard cutting of the onions and pepper led to a bite which was not wholesome.
Chef Matt, Chef Kim, Chef Karan, ready?
Let's do it.
I'll pump up the heat this time.
Here is your flamin' hot entree basket. Open it up.
Ooh.
And as promised, we've turned up the heat here with a habanero pepper, boneless leg of lamb, avocado, and black pepper ice cream sandwiches. 30 minutes for this round. Time starts now.
Yay, go chefs! Okay.
I'm making a lamb kebab. So I've tenderized the lamb. I'm gonna make a quick marinade. I'm gonna saute the potatoes in some lamb fat, so it's gonna be really nice.
I'm going pasta. I'm making a lamb and habanero orchietti ragu with tempura avocado. Like it's all over. Cheese, Italy, lamb, ginger.
I'm actually also doing a pasta, but more of a, like a Thai-style, like homemade curry paste with some noodles, bell peppers.
I'm having a little deja vu. I see a lot of chilies in that blender again. Please use restraint.
I'll try to. I added the avocado into my curry paste with the habanero chili to make it a little bit more creamier and not as spicy as well.
The clock is ticking away, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Chef Matt, what have you made for us?
Chefs, today you have a habanero and lamb ragu with tempura avocado.
Chef Kim, tell us what you've made for us.
So today I made a Thai-style lamb curry pasta. On the side is actually the curry paste itself, so if you want to make the dish a little bit more spicier.
Chef Karan.
So I've made a marinated lamb kebab with some lamb fat potatoes and an avocado chutney on the side.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Karan, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Karan, the lamb, which is a basket ingredient, was raw, and the potatoes were under-seasoned. And so we had to chop you.
Chef Kim, Chef Matt, this final set of ingredients will seal the deal. Check them out.
We got, is that ghost pepper or?
And it's the ghost pepper. That's more than 1 million heat units on the Scoville scale.
Yeah, ghost pepper, that's gonna be wicked spicy.
You also must incorporate
Passion
fruit, plantains, and super spicy citrus soda.
This is a good ingredient.
Your last 30 minutes in the chopped kitchen begins now.
Let's go! Go, go, go! It's sweet
You
and
got
spicy!
Judges, we've given them one of the hottest peppers in the world, the ghost pepper.
I'm scared.
I am making chocolate ghost pepper souffle with macerated tropical fruit. In a souffle, you need egg whites because that's the reason that the souffle rises. Souffles, you really can get it done in like 9 to 14, which means that making a souffle is possible in 30 minutes.
Matt, I think he's making a souffle.
Oh, that's a lot. Oh my God.
Oh, the pepper?
I'm so sorry, guys.
Did
but
you see that?
I just watched Matt brunoise a whole bunch of ghost pepper and put it into a bowl.
I decided to use 1.5 diced ghost peppers, and that's because chocolate really needs a lot of heat, especially when it bakes.
Okay, let's do the math.
Right.
How many jalapenos do you want in your dessert? 100, 25, 75, 65? So, I mean, I think if you shaved off like an eighth, a 16th of that ghost pepper,
Honestly.
that would
More
be
than
enough.
enough.
I'm making fried plantains with graham cracker and ghost pepper crumbs.
Last round, Chef Kim really went hard with the habaneros.
Yeah.
So I really want to take away all but one of her ghost peppers.
5 minutes to go, chefs.
Chef Kim, are you balancing the flavor?
Yes, I am. So adding a little bit of like condensed milk so it's a little bit sweeter into them.
Okay.
1 minute on the clock, chefs.
Yeah, baby.
Well, Chef Matt just pulled his souffles out of the oven, and they look pretty damn good to
Yeah.
me.
But they could deflate. Come on, chefs, you got this.
Wrap it up, wrap it up. Last minute touches.
The clock is ticking away, chefs.
Everything should be completed
10,
and on the plate.
9,
Let's go,
8,
Kim. Let's go, Matt.
7,
You got this.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
You did it.
Please don't kill us.
I thought we were gonna have a sweet ending, but we're having a spicy ending.
Okay. This is going to end in tears. It's
Ours.
been great. It's been great.
Ours.
Yes, exactly.
Chef Matt.
I have made for you a dark chocolate and ghost pepper souffle with macerated tropical fruit.
Finally, Chef Kim.
Judges, what I made for you guys is fried plantains with fruit salad parfait.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Kim, you've been chopped. Judges?
Chef Kim, the Flamin' Hot competition was something you took very seriously. In the first round, the sauce that you made was just way too hot. In your entree round, you made a beautiful curry paste, but again, it was a little too much heat. And so we had to chop you.
And that means, Chef Matt Jordan, you are the chopped champion. You've won $10,000. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you so much.